OCD can be a major bummer, but we found some ways to make your life a little easier. We've got organizing tips, counting tools, and much more to help you get out the door on time and live your best life. New here? Don't forget to subscribe to Crafty Hackers to be the first to see our newest DIY projects and hacks. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Let's get started. Don't forget Keychain. Don't you hate it when you feel the need to keep checking to see if you've turned off the water, the stove, or the lights? Try this helpful tool. Get a few different colored switches from the hardware store. Glue them together like this. After the glue sets, attach a keychain to the back. Now, cut a few small pieces of white tape. Attach them to the switches and draw little symbols to label them. Here we've got one for the stove, one for the lights, and one for the water, but feel free to choose whichever fits you best. Now you can flip the switch whenever you've checked to make sure the stove, lights, and water are off. When you're leaving the house, you can look at your keychain to make sure you've remembered to turn everything off. Then you don't have to double check. It's a total worry-free solution. Hand sanitizer. We found a way to make a natural hand sanitizer that won't irritate your skin and will leave it fresh and moisturized. So when you're feeling the urge to wash your hands, here's a DIY hand sanitizer that'll make you smile. You'll need some aloe vera hand cream, sage essential oil, chamomile tea almond oil, tea tree oil, and lavender essential oil. First, let's make some tea. Take your chamomile tea bags and steep it in some hot water for a bit. Next, squeeze some aloe vera hand cream into the tea. Add a few drops of tea tree oil, a few drops of sage essential oil, some lavender essential oil, and a dash of almond oil. Stir your mixture together. These essential oils will fight germs, while the chamomile and hand cream will soothe and moisturize your skin. Not to mention it smells wonderful. Now pour your ingredients into a small spray bottle. Spray it on your hands to freshen them up whenever you need to. Your hands will thank you. Underwear box. Here's a fun and clever way to organize your underwear. Just take a shoe box or any gift box and a pack of wet wipes. You'll need the plastic wipe dispenser off the wipe container, so carefully remove the dispenser with a box cutter. Now grab the lid of your box and flip it over. Use the plastic dispenser to measure an opening for your box lid. Trace the opening with a pencil and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. Once you have your opening cut out, apply hot glue to the bottom of the dispenser. Glue it over the hole on your lid. When the glue sets, it should look like this. Next, fold your underwear neat and tidy, like tissues. Place the stack of undies inside the box. Now put the lid on and fish the underwear through the dispenser. When you're ready for a new pair of underwear, just pull them out, like tissues. Cute idea, right? Bottle holders. If you need some help with organizing your shower, here's a great way to set up all your loose shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel bottles. Just grab some plastic suction cups and some rubber bands. Tie the rubber band on the back of the suction cup. Next, stretch the large section of rubber band around your shower bottle. Hang the bottles on your shower wall or shower door for quick and easy access to your shampoo and gels. Cleaning with a potato. Got a tarnished mirror? We've got you covered. Bet you didn't know that you could clean it with a potato. Don't believe us? Check it out. Just cut a potato in half and rub it onto your mirror. After you're done scrubbing, spray it with water, wipe it with a clean cloth, and enjoy the spotless reflection. Abacus. Here's a fun craft you can do on your own. Make a homemade abacus with an old picture frame. It's easy, watch this. Just empty out the frame, then add 2 small wooden sticks. Kebab skewers work perfect for this. Place some plastic beads onto the wooden sticks, like this. Next, hot glue the sticks with the beads on them in place. When it's dry, you can play and do math equations for hours. Noteboard. Here's a stylish way to organize your pictures and notes. Just get a piece of cardboard and some fun fabric. Put a thick piece of felt between the cardboard and the fabric for extra padding. Use your hot glue gun to glue the fabric to the back of the cardboard. First, fold the top and bottom and glue them in place. Then do the sides. When you're done, it should look something like this. Now, take the 3 strands of one color of ribbon and 3 strands of a different color. You're going to weave these strands together to make your noteboard. First, glue the bottom strands to the padded board. Weave the other colored ribbon through and glue it into place. Glue the ribbons a few inches down for your next section. Weave the ribbon through again and glue it in place. Now do the same for the bottom section. Flip your noteboard over and hot glue the ribbons onto the back. Trim off any extra ribbon pieces. Now you have a unique noteboard to slip your pictures and notes into. You can even clip some pins on the bottom. Level. If you need to hang some pictures, here's an easy way to make a DIY level. You'll need a container full of water, some tubing, and a couple of medicine syringes. Add some food coloring to the water and stir it. Cut out a small length of tubing and connect your syringes to the end of the tube. Now, place one end into the colored water and siphon it into the tube. Fill it up so that each syringe has a bit of colored water in it. Hold the syringes up against the wall and match up the liquid. Once you have the same amount of liquid in both syringes, you've got a level place to mark for your pictures. Then hang your masterpieces evenly on the wall, nice and even. Grabbing tool. Need to pick up icky things? We've got a tool for that. You'll need 6 large popsicle sticks, 2 small popsicle sticks, and 2 medium popsicle sticks. Mark each large popsicle stick about ½ inch in, and mark on the center as well. Put your popsicle stick on the piece of cork and drill holes in the spots you marked. Next, take your small popsicle sticks and glue them at the tops of large popsicle sticks at an angle, like this. Then glue the medium-sized popsicle sticks to the 2 other large sticks, like this. Now you're going to cut sections of wire, twisting each section like this. They should look something like this. You're going to need several of these wire pieces. Next, feed the wire pieces through the holes of your popsicle sticks, connecting them together in an X shape, like this. Connect the ends of the 2 X's with the remaining wire pieces. Keep going until you've got the desired length. When it's done, you should be able to move it like this. Now you've got a grabbing tool so you can pick up anything without using your hands. Works well with many objects, big and small. Notebook. Want to spruce up your to-do list notepad? Try this. Get a piece of cardboard, some construction paper, and some decorative fabric. Measure the cardboard to your notepad. Trace it out with a ruler. Then measure the spine and the back. Cut it out. Now lay the fabric out. Grab your fabric glue and get ready to glue the pretty fabric onto the cardboard. Spread the globs of glue evenly with a paintbrush to get an even look and feel. Press the cardboard onto the fabric and glue the spine on, leaving enough space for the notebook to close. Now fold the fabric onto the back and glue it into place. Clip the corners. Glue the edges down. Next, glue the construction paper over the sides of the notebook. Now you've got a cover for your notepad. All you have to do now is glue the bottom of your notepad into place. Now you've got a stylish shopping list to take with you to the store. Write down all your achievements right here. Tie the notebook closed with a pretty ribbon. Ta-da! Clothes folder. Here's a way to make sure your clothes are folded evenly every time. If you hate the messy look of sloppily folded clothes, this hack is for you. You'll need 4 sections of cardboard. Tape some decorative paper or fabric onto the cardboard pieces, like this. Fold each section of tape over the back and snip it to fit. Do the same for the other side of the cardboard. Just tape, fold, tape, and snip. Do this for all 4 sections. Next, use the clear tape to connect the fabric boards together. Put tape on the front and back to create a sort of hinge for your clothes folder. Connect all your pieces together this way. Now, lay your t-shirt out on the clothes folder and you'll be able to fold just like the professionals. Looks so neat! Number keychain. Got a lucky number? Here's a fun way to display it on a keychain. Just take a flat Lego piece, some smaller Lego pieces in a different color, and a keychain. Connect the keychain to the corner of the flat Lego piece. Use pliers to tighten the keychain into place. Place the smaller Legos into a number configuration of your choice. Now, you can take your lucky number with you anywhere. How to draw an oval. Not all of us can draw a circle or an oval with ease. Yeah, that looks more like a potato. Here's a way to draw a perfect oval. Measure a distance and draw a line between your 2 dots. Place dots equidistant from each other on your line. Place your paper onto a cork board and push the thumbtacks into your dots. Cut a length of string and tie it to the end. Hook the string onto the tacks. Put a pencil inside the string and use it as a guide to draw the perfect oval shape. Pretty cool, right? We hope you enjoyed these hacks for those of us with OCD. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. See you around.